Right, my yob brother wants to run a car on sprays.
On hairspray?
Yeah, on girly hairspray.
Very expensive fuel.
Yeah.
Right, it's not getting much fuel, so there's a pipe blocked. Probably a bad pipe.
Put the chalk on it after it starts, man. Doesn't want to run without chalk anyway. Not getting much.
We have no ignition switch because I just disconnected that. Absolutely no ignition switch. Throttle's not connected.
Look at line.
There's got no throttle connection.
That might be the high voltage side, I don't know.
It's got no throttle connection because that did nothing.
It
runs on hairspray. Right, I can take the exhaust off now. Right, I can't get the exhaust off because it's rust welded on. But yep, it ran on fuel eventually. Something in the carburetor started letting fuel through. Doesn't want to run without choke. Doesn't have any throttle. I think it's just not connected or something. But yeah, she's a runner, boys. Good. I ordered like 6 of these cans in the middle of lockdown when I had long hair and didn't want to cut it. So just to sort out my hair for the day. Yeah, bit weird, but there you go. I can use it as easy start now. I wonder if it's going to work on diesel. Yeah, it definitely does burn. That's good. Good.